a boo, a boo, a boo, a boo. Ow. What? You kids! Can you help us solve this riddle? Ow! Can I get the new PS5? We've been over this, Calico! Oh yeah. Let's have a flashback to all the memories of me asking for a PS5. No.
Flashback.
Can I get a PlayStation 5? Can I have a PlayStation? Can I get the new PS5?
End of flashback.
Oh. Using no to buying a PS5 has got me thirsty. I'm gonna get some milk. You better not get coconut milk. I'm saving that. Shut up. I'm so damn thirsty. Wait, that's empty. There's barely any liquid in there. What about this? There's also barely any liquid. Help me! Calico, shut up. You told me to shut up. Now I'm getting revenge. Calico has been talking about some weird fetish stuff, and I ordered some food, so it should be coming in the mailbox. Alright, here's the last McDonald's. We are a ripoff of McDonald's. This is just a bun, but I guess it looks really good. My tooth! My tooth! My tooth! It hurts! Ah! Eugene, I'm in the fridge! Help me! Fine, Calico, I'll get the milk for you. What kind of fish stuff? Okay, she's just... Can you get me out of here? Calico wants to be eaten. I don't want to eat you. Help me! Why does Calico want to be food? Come on, she can't live in the fridge. She's got a grocery. Comments are gonna get disabled because I said the F word. No! DOG, shut up. Just get me out of the fridge. And give me a glass of milk. Shut the fuck up!
Choose our game.
Yeah.
Here we go. Super Mario.
Ooh, power up.
Just what I needed.
Yes! The fireflower. A goddamn boom bus. Let's get okay, that's Koopa. Fuck you, Koopa. So, F word hate. This feels nice. This is boring AF! I'm just gonna go get some milk. Let's get the milk. I'm so... Get out of here, Calico. I'm free! I'm free! Oh, chocolate milk. Y'all have some chocolate. I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna kill you. Hey! Like the police of YouTube. But aren't you Credit After Sister? Yeah? Did you just get a voice transplant in like 5 seconds? Yeah. And also, did you just get another one? Yeah. So what you need to do is do not say any like kill or die, but you're saying it. Time to die. Hey! Oh, shut up! Ah! Boomerang knife. You're not gonna make it. She flatlined. The lesson of the day is I don't like skim milk.